I'm going to show you possibly the best iPhone camera hack, how to use your headphones as a remote shutter, next. Hi, I'm Chris. Here on Chris Fry Tech Guy, you'll find tech reviews and tutorials like this one to help make technology work for you. Super excited to share this iPhone camera hack with you today. By using your wired Apple earbuds as a remote camera shutter, you can really up your selfie game at no extra cost. Now let's get started. It's as simple as plugging the headphones in and pressing the volume up or down buttons to take the shot. Now you can get better selfies that take the focus off your arm, holding the phone. Take the shot I took yesterday morning. I hid my headphones in my hands and positioned it so you couldn't really see the wire. Instagram worthy? I don't know, but at least it gives you the idea of flexibility of using your earbuds as a cheap remote to take better pictures with your iPhone camera. Did you find this iPhone camera trick useful? Please let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. For more iPhone tutorials, click or tap the screen here. It was great having you here with me today on Chris Fry Tech Guy. I'll see you next time.